In this module, we are going to understand the concept of material requirements planning. We will start with the review of the definition, and then we will see how sales and operation planning process can trigger the demand management and where comes the MRP. तो आइए start करते हैं. By definition, it is the process of determining the quantity and timing of production and or purchase quantities needed to support master production schedule. In the master production schedule, it is the plan the company have for the short range horizon. So to support the MPS, you need an MRP, which is Material Requirements Planning. MRP would allow companies to accurately plan its raw material purchase. तो आइए डायग्राम के थ्रू अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि किस लेवल पे MRP की जरूरत होगी आपको. Now, starting with the sales and operation planning process, it starts with the sales forecasting and starting inventory. In the sales forecasting, you have the historical data, and based on the historical data, you consider के इस year कितनी growth होगी. So that would be the sales forecast for that specific year or that specific month. And starting inventory could be कि already जो आपकी inventory में चीजें पड़ी हुई हैं. So that will trigger the sales and operation planning process. Now, once the process goes into the sales and operation planning, तो दो चीजें important हैं that comes under the demand management. First is MRP, कि जो items आपने फिनिश प्रोडक्ट्स में कन्वर्ट करने हैं उसके लिए आपको रॉ मटेरियल भी दरकार है. अब रॉ मटेरियल फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने फर्नीचर बनाना है तो उसके लिए लकड़ी इज द रॉ मटेरियल. अगर आपने बार्स बनानी है तो प्रोबेबली व्हीट और एनी अदर रेसिपी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So that could be served as the raw material. In the demand management, two activities have to be performed. Once the demand management process is activated, the companies have to make sure that MRP and detailed scheduling has to be done. In the MRP, which is Material Requirements Planning, जो schedule आपने production schedule either overall और detailed schedule बनाना है products को finished products के अंदर convert करने के लिए, उसके लिए जो raw material दरकार है that will come under MRP. अब वो सारा raw material जो आपको चाहिए, you need to make sure कि you first purchase and make it available ताकि आपके जो प्रोडक्शन स्केड्यूल हैं वो एक्यूरेटली और टाइम पर ही वो चीजें बना सकें. अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर इज बिल ऑफ मटेरियल. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज ए लिस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल्स एंड क्वांटिटीज नीडेड टू मेक ए प्रोडक्ट. अगर आपको याद हो MRP के अंदर you have to make the purchases for the material which you are going to use to make and convert it into a finished product. तो bill of material के अंदर वो सारा raw material मौजूद होगा which you are going to purchase, जिसकी request आप भेजेंगे suppliers को. For fitter snacker case, which you have probably gone through in the reading material, the bill of material is actually the recipe for a 500 pound, LB is pound, per batch of snack bar dough. Fitter Snacker is a company that is in the business of manufacturing snack bars. लेकिन when they need the raw material, अब raw material किस चीज का होगा? They generally need 500 LB, which is pound per batch, ताकि वो अपनी snacks bars को बना सकें. In Fitter Snacker case study, these are all the raw material which are required and the quantities which are required. NRG-A is the type of one product which they are manufacturing, which is a snack bar, and NRG-B would be, it is another product type. उसके अंदर अगर आप नोट कीजिए, different types of ingredients are required. First is oats, which is required in pounds. Second is wheat germs, cinnamon, honey, and others. So actually this is the recipe and these are the material which are required ताकि वो अपनी energy A, which is first product type, and एनर्जी B, which is another snack bar, ये दोनों कंप्लीट कर सके और मैन्युफैक्चर कर सके.